Jafar Jackson, Michael Jackson's nephew. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. I don't think they're gonna mess with it.
Especially when that's
You want me to bring some of that other stuff closer, Av?
Huh?
You want me to bring some of that other stuff closer?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out what hole this goes into.
A bee. Couldn't swing because I had my drink in my hand. It's a nice day. The sun came out.
Okay.
See, that side of the box got wet from when the hole in that thing. I gotta fix that hole in that thing. It's good that this is out. That's gonna make some space in my shed. I need to throw out a lot of stuff next garbage day out of there and clear it out of the shed. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that's useless because that takes up space. Now that this is out the way, I need to dump out a lot of stuff out the shed. And this is gonna have to go back in for storage at some point.
in that same box.
That box ain't gonna make it.
You duct tape it like the stuff, the tape I have on my car.
Yeah.
We can re-secure
I want
that
to
and then
re-secure it because I like the picture. I'll just buy another thing of that.
I
Yeah, it is. I'm hot too.
Remember now, it's getting cool again, and then it's hot again.
I was gonna, if we lost that box, I was gonna cut that picture out so I could have it. But we better
I
save
think
it.
with the tape in my car, we can resecure that box.
But how you pronounce that? Saluspa, Saluspa, Saluspa Laguna, Saluspa. After I say it a few times, I'm gonna get used to saying it. It rolls off my tongue a few times. Now it's getting cool again.
Right. That's what happened to me. I took it off, remember, just a second ago?
Mhm.
And then it's
Oh,
like,
this is so nice.
when the
He's
sun
gonna
came
sit over
out,
there and
it
read
was
the instructions. That's really nice.
That's definitely with the Zoom.
I have faith in you, Ev. You always figure it out. I thought we were done with the swimming pool store. And yeah, we probably got to go there to keep this water clean to learn how to. Theirs looks so wonderful on the cover of the box. That's good marketing.
Was it a replacement?
Oh, what do you mean that was a replacement?
There's one already in here.
Oh, okay. So you get 2 filters. It comes with 2 filters. Yeah, 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold. It makes a difference. What brand is that sweatshirt of?
Oh, I have no idea.
Huh?
I have no idea.
What does it say on the front? Poor homie? Like poor man?
I don't know what it says.
Poor ame?
I've had this for
Ame, I think,
years.
is man and something. I don't know. But the graphics is nice.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh. That baby boy is in there really crying up a storm. Is the air escaping?
That's cool enough.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Nice.
Let it fill up naturally.
Okay. Looking good, Ev. Oh, brother.
All right. So that solves that.
Ooh, it's nice and firm.
Okay.
Does
All right. Well, if we're not filling it, this.
right? I don't think they're gonna try to puncture it or anything. All those buckles go in. Let me watch Evan. Oh, I love seeing this. We're gonna pull it those buckles tight too, tight, so that it's secure. This is fire. It's gonna be so nice. There's an ant on it already.
We were really gonna get torn up back there.
We was. But you know what? The mosquitoes aren't back there like when those bushes were back there. They're not as much as all them bushes that were overgrown was what was causing that back there. And the pear tree, now all that's gone, so